Start over.
Yeah, start over from the top.
Start over. Yeah, so my name is Beek, and I'm a staff software engineer at Moderne. I'm responsible for the community aspects of OpenRewrite. So anytime someone has maybe a question or they report a new issue, then I'm the one to triage this issue or answer that question and go on Stack Overflow and help folks get up to speed on the project. And then once they start maybe contributing software, I'm the one to help guide them through that, maybe do some code reviews there, help folks along. And then beyond that, I'm also the one to go to conferences, mostly in Europe, to tell people about what it is that we can do and what they can use with OpenRewrite and Moderne. And beyond that, I do calls with customers and potential customers to really tell them all it is that they can now automate and no longer have to do by hand. So my favorite recipe right now is a recipe that will let you adopt the sequenced collections that come with Java 21, where now, finally, after 25 years, if you want to get the first element of a list, there's a method called getFirst. You don't have to get element 0, or if you want to get the last element of the list, you don't have to get the size of the collection and subtract 1 and get that element out of the list. It's just get last. So we automated that, and now finally folks are starting to see it pop up in their software as they use the OpenRewrite recipes to migrate to Java 21. And even folks that didn't know that you can now do that actually see it in their code output. So that's really neat. So for fun, I used to do a lot of open source contributions to projects, and that's actually what landed me with OpenRewrite and now Moderne. And I still do that from time to time. But now using the tools that I help develop to get projects along and help folks better maintain their software going forward. And apart from that, I'm a big fan of bouldering, just climbing up and down, and sometimes I fall and I can't climb for a while, but I'm having a lot of fun doing it. So you can find me pretty much anywhere as Beek. It's a very Dutch name, but all concatenated together. You can find me on GitHub, you can find me on Twitter, you can find me on LinkedIn, or wherever else there is. And it's just all points back to me. There is one other guy who's called Beek, but I'm outcompeting him on any Google searches. So you're gonna end up with me, most likely. Unless it's Jiu-Jitsu.